Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most exciting machines in the sport bike world, the 2026 KTM RC 390. Known for its sharp styling, thrilling performance, and track-inspired DNA, the RC 390 has been a favorite for riders who crave adrenaline without breaking the bank. The 2026 model refines this formula with fresh updates and smarter features. Let's take a closer look at what's new. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 KTM RC 390 continues its aggressive, race-ready stance with even sharper bodywork and improved aerodynamics. The new fairing is slimmer yet more functional, featuring redesigned air intakes that aid cooling and stability at high speeds. The dual LED headlamps and updated graphics package give it a bold, futuristic look that stands out on the street and the track. A lighter trellis frame and new alloy wheels contribute to a sportier, more agile profile. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the 2026 RC 390 carries forward the proven 373 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, now tuned for smoother power delivery and improved mid-range torque. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch, the bike offers responsive acceleration and confident downshifts. The updated ride-by-wire system enhances throttle precision, while the lightweight chassis and WP suspension ensure sharp handling whether corner carving or commuting. Safety and technology. KTM has equipped the new RC 390 with cutting-edge rider aids. Dual-channel ABS with cornering function is now standard, boosting rider confidence in tricky conditions. A quickshifter is available on higher trims for seamless gear changes. The fully digital TFT display offers smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications, while multiple riding modes allow customization based on conditions. LED lighting all around improves visibility and efficiency. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM RC 390 is a perfect blend of style, speed, and smart technology. With its aggressive looks, refined performance, and advanced rider aids, it continues to set the benchmark for lightweight supersport bikes. Whether you're a new rider stepping into the world of sport bikes or an enthusiast looking for track day thrills, the RC 390 delivers the excitement you need. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates and first looks at the machines shaping the future of riding.